This is going to be part 2 of the NutriBullet review. This is going to be a video product review of the NutriBullet. Now, if you look at my channel, I did a review a couple weeks ago. I picked up the Ninja Foodie Smoothie, whatever the heck that thing is, at Costco. And it made a really nice milkshake, and it did very good with the smoothies. I'm surprised. And it also did really good just putting coffee and ice together. So I tested it out, made a really good video, and then I took it back because I really didn't need it. I already have a Vitamix, and I have a Blendtec, and I have access to 2 more Vitamixes and Blendtecs, so I really don't need any of this stuff. This is the NutriBullet. It's on sale right now at Costco. Normally $99 on sale for $79, and I know the lighting isn't the best. I'm doing this on my kitchen floor. Sorry about that. Here's the motor. What do we have? Oh, it's kind of... Oh, we got suction cups on the bottom. Interesting. Okay, so we've got extract, pulse, low, medium, high, and the power switch. And I'm not going to mess with it in the box, but we've also got the blender, which is sitting in the box, and we have 2 of the smoothie units with the cap, and 2 metal straws, and some type of a cleaning brush that comes with it. All I'm going to do right now, it's kind of late, I'm going to make a milkshake, and we're going to see how it comes out. I learned my lesson with the Ninja Foodie Smoothie, is I put it on, they had a pulse thing, or they had just had a button where you could press it and start it up, and it would run for a minute, and by the time a minute was over, it wasn't a milkshake anymore. It was mostly a lot of liquid. So I'm just going to put the milkshake on low. We'll see if it comes out good. I don't know if I'm going to keep this thing. I'm sure Costco doesn't want me to return another item. But hey, maybe this will help everybody out. It says pitcher lid with lid cap, tamper, 32-ounce cup, 24-ounce handle cup, 2 to-go lids, easy twist extractor blade. That's what I want to look at before I continue with my video. I was serious when I said I'm doing this on the kitchen floor right next to the dog bowl. The thing I don't like about... Okay, this is the NutriBullet. The thing I don't like about the Ninja, and that's why I'm opening this up now, is the Ninja has a blade on it that will rip your finger. It will cut your finger in half. It's extremely sharp. The Blendtec does not have that, and the Vitamix doesn't have that. They're just metal pieces that pulverize whatever you put in there, but they don't cut. So I'm doing a test right now. I'm risking injuring myself for my viewers. This makes me very happy to see. There is no blade on this. Just like on the Blendtec. What does it say there? There's a number for the blade. Just like the Blendtec and the Vitamix, there is no blade on this. Now we do have this pointy piece over here. Again, no blade on it. It's pointed, but you're not going to... I'll tell you, that Ninja thing, if your finger hits the edge of it, it's going to slice it open. And it's frightening. So I feel really good about this right now. I can't wait to make the milkshake. I'm going to put this in the sink, wash it up. I'm not going to do it in the blender. I'm going to do it in the cups. Let me show you those. The dog is behind me. She can't stand when I make videos, especially at night. Okay, so this is the smoothie thing if you don't want to use the blender, and it comes with 1 of these. I was trying to figure out what the heck they gave me. It comes with this attachment that will go on the blender, and then after you're done, it comes with 2 caps, 2 covers that will go over here to seal this. And let me take one out of the box really fast since I'm trying to make a good video. Is this where the straw goes in? Because I did say it comes with curved metal straws. So there's the cover. And it opens up. It's a nice seal to it. Nice snap, so it's not going to spill in the car unless you mess up. And I guess that's where your little metal straw would go in. Okay, so that's nice. I'm not going to need that. What I really need to do now is wash this. It will take a few seconds. I'll put this on the counter, and then I'll run this, and we'll find out how angry my neighbors get having this thing run. I don't know how noisy it is, but I'm looking forward to making a milkshake. After I do that, I'm going to do what I did with the Ninja. Tomorrow, I made this mistake with the Ninja. With the Ninja, I made an ice cream milkshake, and then after that I did a smoothie, and after that I did a coffee, and all three of those, and I drank all of them, and my stomach was killing me. Milkshake tonight, smoothie tomorrow, and then the coffee after that with ice, and we'll see, is this better than the Ninja smoothie? I was really impressed with the Ninja smoothie, I will say that. The only thing I did not like is the blade, which I thought was extremely dangerous, and I did not want it in my house. That is my young lady. She's going to get up now. She cannot stand when I make videos. She's very unhappy. Stop it. Sit down. Sit down. She's very unhappy that I'm doing this. So I'm going to make the milkshake right now. I love you. I do want to say, I like that they include not only the blender, but both of these in the package. I love my Vitamix. The Vitamix costs $299 on sale, usually $3.99. And if you want to get the package, which is two of these things with the bottom, it's another $100. I don't know why they do that. I know, well, they're doing it for money, but I don't know why they do that instead of just saying, hey, you've already given us money, we'll give you a good deal. So let's try this out right now. I've got it plugged in. The cords on these things are less, probably like 4 or 5 feet at the most. Once I'm done, she'll go to bed. But when I'm doing stuff, she doesn't like it. That's my little lady. I love you very much. Yes, I do. The first part, I did a milkshake, and it was actually really good and very easy to use, extremely easy to clean, and I was impressed. I thought I was going to be taking it back and returning it like I did the Ninja a couple weeks ago, but I might be keeping this. We have a couple more things we're going to test out. Today we're going to test out a coffee drink, and when I go to the donut shop, they use some powdered coffee mix. I don't know what the heck it is, and then they put some milk in there and a whole bunch of ice, and they mix it up with the Ninja, and they charge like $4 for a coffee drink. And with the Ninja, with my review of the Ninja, I just went to the store and bought some coffee stuff in a carton, and I put some ice in there. The problem is, I put in too much ice, and so it was really icy and kind of too icy. And the donut shop does the exact same thing. They put in way too much ice, so it's a delicious coffee drink, but in the middle, when you get out of there, about half the center, it's frozen. It's just really frozen and chunky. Unlike Costco, that makes a really good latte because they've got a machine that squirts it out. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to put a little bit of ice in here, and I'm going to get the ice now. There it is, not too full. I don't want to make the same mistake that I made before with the Ninja, and that might be too much ice. And so I've got the container of coffee. So far, I am happy with the NutriBullet. Like I said, I've got a Vitamix and a Blendtec, and I probably don't use them as much as I should. Maybe this will motivate me to do more smoothies and other things. But we'll try the coffee drink first. Mocha, wow, it's probably going to be way too strong. I'll only do half. I don't want to drink too much this morning. So, you know, the question is, do you put it on extract or pulse or low, medium, high? I don't know. This is really simple. Their whole setup is really, just really nice. Spin that on there. Make sure that it's tight. Come on, we always want it tight, don't we? Yes, we do. And then we take this thing and turn it upside down. And latch it in place. Listen for the pop. Didn't hear it? There it is. Press the power button. Now I'm just going to put this on low. Unlike the Ninja, I like the Ninja because it has the different settings, and then it's got like a 1-minute thing that pulses through and does what, I don't know. Let's just do low and see what happens. Let me try to zoom in. It's so quiet. It really is. Now, I'm going to keep this on for... It's already mixed up. It doesn't need to be mixed. I just want to see if it's going to bog down because of the ice and get really slushy. It seems like it's kind of... It's still blending away. Let's press the power button and we'll turn it off. Spin this thing. Very easy. Let's go over to the messy sink. Open this thing up. We'll hear a little vacuum pop. There it is. A little bit of gasosis. So if you made this every day, you'd probably figure out how much ice you need to put in here and how much liquid. This made a lot. Well, it is a lot with all the water and the ice and the... Let's see, what does it taste like? This is strictly a store-bought container of coffee mixed with some ice. Can you get by with this $4 thing instead of going down and spending $6 or $7 on a frozen icy latte? It's creamy. And let's face it, ladies, if it's creamy, oh yes. It's definitely not icy. It's not chunky icy like I get at the donut shop, but I don't really know the settings, the amount of ice to use, the amount of coffee. It tastes good. This is probably the last thing I should be having on an empty stomach in the morning. But that concludes the part 2 of the NutriBullet review. I think it's good. So far, I'm happy that the milkshake came out wonderful. The coffee drink is good. Definitely needs a little bit more ice and a little bit less coffee to make it a little more slushy. And the next steps are going to be, we'll do a smoothie in this container, and then I might do a smoothie in the blender. And that will be the end of the review. Quick update, the coffee was terrible, not the fault of the NutriBullet. The mixture, there was way too much air in there. That's the fault of myself. I didn't know how much liquid to put in and how much ice. Very airy, not a good latte overall, but I still think the NutriBullet is pretty darn good. Baby, good night. I love you. Okay, come on. Come on. We're done.